The entryway serves as the architectural handshake of a home, a transitional threshold that defines the spatial personality of the entire residence. Achieving a balance between utilitarian storage and high-end aesthetic appeal is the hallmark of sophisticated interior design. By reimagining standard modular systems through a lens of timelessness and bespoke craftsmanship, homeowners can curate a vestibule that feels both intentional and profoundly welcoming. A well-designed foyer doesn't just store coats, it orchestrates a sensory experience through texture, light, and form. In the realm of modern decor, the move toward quiet luxury emphasizes the importance of custom finishes and integrated solutions. Using iconic silhouettes as a foundation allows for endless creative permutations, transforming mass-produced items into one-of-a-kind design statements. This guide explores the intersection of accessibility and opulence, proving that with a discerning eye for detail and a commitment to material integrity, any entrance can become a breathtaking gallery of personal style and refined functionality.
Number 1. Elevate the Billy Library look. Transform the ubiquitous Billy bookcase into a bespoke floor-to-ceiling library wall that frames your front door with intellectual elegance. By adding custom crown molding to the top and thick baseboards at the bottom, the unit loses its modular feel and becomes an integrated architectural element. Paint the entire structure in a moody charcoal or deep navy with a matte finish to provide a sophisticated backdrop for curated art books and vintage ceramics. Incorporate brass library lights at the header to cast a warm, inviting glow over the entrance, mimicking the ambiance of a high-end private study or a luxury boutique hotel lobby.
Number 2. Craft a floating hemness console. The hemness shoe cabinet is a staple for narrow hallways, but you can elevate it to quiet luxury status by mounting it as a floating unit. Removing the legs creates a contemporary silhouette that exposes more floor space, making the area feel larger. Replace the standard knobs with oversized brushed nickel or stone poles to add a tactile, high-end touch. For the finishing piece, install a custom-cut slab of white Carrara marble or a thick walnut butcher block on top. This material contrast between the factory finish and natural stone creates a rich, layered aesthetic that feels uniquely premium and custom-built for the space.
Number 3. Design a Japandi Ivar cabinetry. Embrace the serenity of Japandi design by customizing raw pine Ivar cabinets with natural textures. Apply a light oak or honey-colored stain to the wood to enhance the natural grain. Then replace the center door panels with fine cane webbing or fluted glass. This DIY modification adds visual depth and a handcrafted artisan quality to the piece. Pair the cabinets with a low-profile stone bench and a large frameless round mirror to reflect light. The combination of raw organic materials and clean geometric lines creates a meditative entryway that prioritizes calm and order, perfectly blending Scandinavian functionality with Japanese aesthetic minimalism. Number 4. Create an industrial Kallax bench. The Kallax unit is incredibly versatile, but it can be transformed into a rugged, industrial mudroom bench with a few strategic upgrades. Lay a 2x2 or 4x1 unit horizontally and wrap the exterior in a faux concrete microcement finish or a dark walnut veneer. Add heavy-duty matte black hairpin legs to lift the unit, providing space for shoe storage underneath. For the seating surface, install a custom-tailored cognac leather cushion. This juxtaposition of cold industrial textures and warm, supple leather creates a high-contrast look that is both durable for high-traffic entryways and visually striking for guests entering the home. Number 5. Implement a Scandi Chic PAX system. For the ultimate mudroom experience, utilize the PAX wardrobe system to create a seamless, built-in transition zone. Opt for shaker-style doors and paint them in a soft sage green or grayish to step away from the standard white finish. Integrate an open nook in the center of the wardrobes by omitting one door and installing a wood slat back panel with brass hooks. This creates a dedicated space for coats and bags that looks like custom millwork. Finish the look with floor-to-ceiling trim to eliminate gaps, making the unit appear as a permanent, high-end architectural feature of the home's foyer. Number 6. Style a glamorous bespoke console. The bestow system is the king of sleek storage, but you can turn it into a glamorous Art Deco-inspired console with ease. Select high-gloss black doors and mount the unit to the wall to create a sharp, floating profile. The secret to the luxury look here is the wrapper. Install a custom-fit piece of gold-tinted mirror or smoked glass on the top and sides of the unit. This creates a reflective jewel box effect that bounces light around a dark hallway. Complement the setup with oversized gold handles and a gallery wall above it featuring monochrome photography and matching gold frames. Number 7. Curate an apothecary moppet chest. For a vintage-inspired entryway, take several moppet mini storage chests and mount them atop a slender console table or secure them directly to the wall in a grid. Stain the wood in a rich, dark espresso and add tiny brass label holders to each drawer front. This creates a sophisticated apothecary-style organizer for keys, mail, and small essentials. The repetitive rhythm of the small drawers adds a sense of historical charm and craftsmanship. Frame this setup with a large antique-style mirror and a small stool tucked underneath, turning a simple entrance into a character-filled space that feels like it has a story to tell. Number 8. Assemble a geometric Nordley console. The Nordley drawer units offer a unique modularity that allows for asymmetrical geometric compositions. Create a custom entryway console by stacking different-sized Nordley units in a staggered pattern, leaving open gaps for display cubbyholes. Paint the drawer fronts in a sophisticated tonal palette. Think 3 shades of warm terracotta or forest green to create a gradient effect. Top the entire arrangement with a single continuous piece of stone or dark wood to tie the staggered pieces together. This avant-garde approach turns a simple storage unit into a sculptural art piece that commands attention the moment the door opens. Number 9. Upgrade the Bissa shoe gallery. The Bissa shoe rack is often overlooked due to its simplicity, but it can be the foundation of a stunning gallery wall entryway. Align 3 or 4 units side by side to create a long, low-profile ledge. Replace the plastic handles with slim, leather-wrapped poles or hand-carved wooden knobs. To make it look high-end, create a massive gallery wall above the units, extending from the ledge all the way to the ceiling. Use consistent themes and a mix of photography, line art, and textiles. The slim profile of the Bissa units ensures the hallway remains open, while the art above creates a grand, curated entrance.